This is Sandeep SG UR16CS081, and this is compiler lab experiment number 3. And in this experiment what I have done is I have created a simulation of DFA wherein I am going to pass in this table as input. After I pass the table as input, then I give a string, and then it verifies whether the string is a valid string or not. So let's see what the code looks like. So here is the sample. Here is my code in C++. In this code what I have done is I included the header files basic, and after that I have asked to the user how many states are there. Then I have created two arrays for state A and B, as we have two options, zeros and ones, and then I have taken input from the user for each array's details. Once I get the details, then I go and traverse through the entire state one by one for that, and after that I display the final answer, and then I eventually keep moving from one state to another, from A to current state, then B to current state, and it keeps shifting till it reaches the final state. Then it verifies whether it has reached the final state or not. If it has reached the final state, it says that the output has been yes, or else it says no. Let's execute and see the program. So as we can see, the program is here. The question is asking me how many states are there. I can see there are 4 states, so I enter 4. Now it's asking me the inputs, so I'll go 1 0 1 2 1 3 1 0. These are the inputs that I have entered, and it has recreated the entire table once again. Now after that it is asking me to tell the number of inputs I am going to give. So I gave 10. 10 is not executable, so 0011 I gave, and I got a yes. So here hence the program has been executed successfully. We can try another string that's like 0000, and it's a no. If I go like from 1 to 2, then I can go 1 1 1, so still I have got a no. Hence the program has been executed successfully for finite automata system. Now let's see the second question. The second question for this very same thing is that I should be able to write a program to minimize the DFA. I mean, it is basically the size of the DFA needs to be reduced. So I have designed this program in Python. I'll just open the it is in this program. What I have done is I have compiler. So in this program what I have done is I am taking from the user all the input regarding how many states are there. I am taking the input from the user for each state, then I am saying about the final states, and I am releasing or deleting all the final states that has been supposed to be removed from the list, and then I am passing it to the user. So that is what has been mentioned as per the question. So I will execute the program. So it is asking me how many states are there, hence I can say there are 4 states, and then I have to pass the input stating which state will go, and whether A can go from A to B, B can go from A to C, A can go from B to A, B can go from A to C. Here now the final enter the number of final states. I say 0. So it has minimized my states. State 0 can go from A to A to B, and A to C. Let's execute and see another example which is only about one state. So here my A can go from A to B, here my B can go from A to C, here my C can go from A to B, and my D can go from C to A. And then it will ask me the number of final states, and I go with 1, and I say D is my final state. So I gave the wrong input. A, B, B, A, C, C, A, B, and D, C, A, and then we verify. We get that the minimized states are these, because there cannot be any state that has been minimized, and it is considering DCA as the last and the final state. It has been executed successfully. Hence the program has been executed successfully. Thank you.